Good day everyone. We will show to you the differences and similarities of function of communication. First, informative function. We want to inform other people of what we know. For example, someone is teaching about the problems in math. Next, instructive function. We need to instruct people on what to do, when to do them, and why and how to do them. For example, you instruct them how to use a map. Next is persuasive function. It is how to persuade them to change their perspectives or opinion and to decide accordingly. For example is commercial. Motivation function, we communicate to entice and direct people to act and reach their objectives and goals in life. In the process, we use positive language to make them realize that their action lead them something beneficial for their being, except comforting a friend. Aesthetic function, we use communication for pleasure and enjoyment. Example, chatting with friends. Next is therapeutic function or emotional expression. We use this kind of communication to cure or to serve, maintain for good health. For example, after the talk, they found themselves in much better condition to think of our matters that troubles them. People use communication like regulation or control to maintain control over the other people's attitude and behavior. For example, your parents use it to guide, inspire, or reprimand you when you seem to lose control over your schedule or studies. Social interaction. Communication helps us to start a new conversation, greeting the people around us and by exchanging pleasantries with them. Function of communication is used to know their attitudes, emotions, and feelings. We also use this function to comfort, start, and end a conversation. Every function is important, so we must use it correctly and responsibly. I hope you learn a lot. Again, I am Gabriel de la Cruz together with my group mates. Goodbye.